Hi friends, today I am going to discuss the direct tax subject in that set off and carry forward of losses chapter. Okay, let's move on to the chapter. See, loss under head are loss from certain income and current year can be adjusted against, that is previous year 1920, and subsequent year can be adjusted again it. Previous year, that is previous year 2020-21, and number of years return file up to due date. And say the first one, loss from salary. Loss from salary. Salary. There is no loss from salary. Loss not possible at all. So, loss not possible. Okay? Loss not possible. Number of years not applicable. Loss not possible. Loss not possible. And see the second one, loss from house property. Current year can be adjusted against any income. Okay, adjusted against any income, but first set of loss up to 2 lakhs from other head, then balance here. Okay, and next subsequent year can be adjusted against loss from house property. Income from house property only. Income from house property only. That is also maximum 2 lakhs. Okay. And the number of years, 8 previous years. Okay. Return file up to due date, not compulsory. Not compulsory. And see the next one. Loss from capital gain. Loss from capital gain. This short term, long term. See first short term loss. Short term loss, current year can be adjusted against long term capital gain or short term capital gain. Any capital gain, okay? And next subsequent year can be adjusted against any capital gain. Any capital gain. And number of years, 8 previous years. And return file up to due date compulsory. And next long term loss. Long term loss can be set off against current year, long term capital gain only, and subsequent year can be adjusted against long term capital gain only, and number of years 8 previous years, and return file up to due date compulsory. Okay, and the next, loss from other sources. Any income including salary. Current year can be adjusted against any income including salary, and subsequent year can be adjusted against, it is not allowed. Not allowed. Okay, and number of years not applicable, and there is no. And see the next, loss from business and profession. And loss from business and profession, first case normal business, then any head except salary. Current year can be adjusted against any head except salary. Subsequent year can be adjusted against same income, that is PGBP income. PGBP income. Number of years 8 previous years, and return file up to due date compulsory. I am writing here normal business, and here loss from business and profession. Second one, speculation or specified business. Means speculation business means intraday business. that means stock brokers. Intraday transaction, purchase share in the stock market in the morning and sell in the evening. Okay, intraday. And specified means section 35 AD. Okay, so here current year can be adjusted against same income, that is PGBP. And subsequent year can be adjusted against PGBP. And the next number of years for speculation for previous years, for speculation. And specified business infinite previous years, infinite previous years. And the return file aptitude compulsory. And the next, horse race business. Horse race business. Here current year can be adjusted against same income, same income. And say here specified or speculation business profit from business of same speculation are specified, same. Here also same. From this, if there is any profit, then only adjust. Okay, same income means PGBP income in this speculation as specified. Okay, and here also horse race business, same income. Subsequent year can be adjusted, same income. Okay, and the number of years for horse race for previous years. Okay, and the return compulsory. Okay, and the last one, unabsorbed depreciation and absorbed depreciation. Here current year can be adjusted against any head except salary, any head except salary. And the subsequent year can be adjusted against any head except salary, any head except salary here also. Okay, and the next, number of years infinite. And the return not compulsory but need to file return, not compulsory but need to file. And see, loss from business and profession, there are 4. Normal business, current year can be adjusted against any head except salary. And the next, subsequent year can be adjusted against same income PGBP. Here adjust against normal business plus specified business plus horse race or speculation. Okay, and the number of years 8 previous years. And the return file up to due date compulsory. And see the next, business and profession, speculation or specified business. Here current year can be adjusted against same income, that is speculation or specified business. And the next subsequent year can be adjusted against speculation or specified business. Okay, and the number of years 4 previous year. And return file up to due date compulsory. Okay, and the next, third one, business and profession, horse race business. Here current year can be adjusted against horse race business, and the subsequent year can be adjusted against horse race business. And the next, number of years for previous year, and return file up to due date compulsory. Okay, and the next, fourth one, unabsorbed depreciation. Any head, current year can be adjusted against any head except salary. Subsequent year can be adjusted against any head except salary. Okay, and the number of years infinite years. Okay, and return file up to due date not compulsory but need to file. Okay, I hope this is clear for you. And see the next, and see the In case of presumptive income, unabsorbed depreciation will not be allowed as deduction, because the scheme given by Income Tax Act government for small business houses, okay, they are carrying the business with a certain amount of turnover to give some relaxation to such a type of businesses, okay. And see the next, speculative business. Here speculative business is a primary business, and here speculation business is not a primary business, and see, in this case, if the speculation business is primary business of the assessee, then set of speculation business loss can be done with normal business income or profit, okay. And see, but if primary business of the assessee is other than speculation business, then speculation business loss cannot be set off against normal business income. That is, can be set off against same speculation income only, okay. The loss of normal business and unabsorbed depreciation can be set off against speculation business income of the assessee, okay. And see the next one, section 78, succession of business. In case of succession of sole proprietary business or partnership firm business, the loss can be carried forward by the person incurring the loss and not the successor, okay. But in case of succession due to inheritance, then it will be carried forward and set off, okay. If the succession other than inheritance, the loss not carried forward to the successor, okay. But in case of inheritance, the loss can be carried forward and set off, okay. And see the next one, order of set off and carry forward of losses. In this case, first, current year depreciation, current year capital expenditure on scientific research, current year depreciation, current year capital expenditure on scientific research, and current year family planning expenditure, current year depreciation, current year capital expenditure on scientific research, and current year family planning expenditure to the extent allowed. And the next order, brought forward loss from PGBP. And the next one, unabsorbed depreciation. And the next one, unabsorbed capital expenditure on scientific research. And the next one, unabsorbed family planning expenditure. This order of set off and carry forward of losses from income under PGBP, okay, income under PGBP. And see the set off and carry forward of losses format. Computation of total income, assessment year 2021 and previous year 1920, okay, particulars and amount columns. First, income from salaries, set of the loss from house property, loss from other sources. And see here, loss from house property, in total maximum 2 lakhs can be set off against the other heads of income. If there is house property losses in the previous year 1920, that is first year of house property loss, okay. And the next one, income from house property, the losses can be set off from income from house property, loss from house property, and the balance loss of previous year 1920. And the brought forward loss from house property, here brought forward loss from house property, maximum 2 lakhs can only set off against house property, okay. And the loss from other sources can also set off from house property income, and the loss from PGBP only in first year of loss, okay. And the next, unabsorbed depreciation from normal business, okay. These all are set off from income from house property, okay. And see the next, income from capital gain. In this, there are two, long-term capital gain, short-term capital gain. The losses of long-term capital loss and short-term capital loss both can be set off from long-term capital gain. And from short-term capital gain, the loss of short-term capital loss can be set off. And from both these, the common losses can be set off. Loss from house property and unabsorbed depreciation from normal business. Okay. And see the next, income from other sources. Here, income from other sources, the loss of house property and loss of other sources and loss from PGBP only in first year of loss, that is normal business loss, and unabsorbed depreciation from normal business. These all our losses can be set off from income from other sources. Okay, and see the next one, income from business and profession. From these, the losses can be set off. Loss from PGBP for current previous year, that is normal business loss, and brought forward loss from PGBP for earlier years. Both normal business loss can be set off from income from business and profession. And see the next, income from speculative or specified business. Losses can be set off, loss from PGBP, that means normal business plus speculative or specified business loss. See, if income from speculative business, then set off loss from normal business and speculative business. If income from specified business, then loss from normal business and specified business set off. Okay. And also set off the loss, brought forward loss from PGBP for earlier years. Okay. And see the next one, income from owning and maintaining horses. From this, loss can be set off, loss from PGBP and brought forward loss from PGBP. Normal business loss plus horse race loss. Okay. And loss from house property and unabsorbed depreciation for normal business only. These two common losses set off from normal business are specified as speculative plus horse race businesses. Okay. And the final, gross total income. In income from business and profession, there are three cases: normal business and speculative specified business and owning and maintaining horses. Okay. In this format, wherever I mention 2 stars, 1 star, that means in total, 2 star means in total maximum 2 lakh can be set off against the other heads of income. If there is house property loss in the previous year 1920, that is first year of house property loss. Okay. In 1 star, if brought forward house property loss, then maximum 2 lakh can only be set off against income from house property. Okay. I will provide this format in Telegram channel. Okay friends, I hope this chapter is clear for you. If you have any doubt, then comment me. Okay friends, all the best. Do well, prepare well. Bye bye.